Hello everybody. It has been a few days since I've talked to you all, at least in my time, but today we are going on the tour of Walt Disney Studios. I can't wait. We're checking out of our Anaheim resort today, so we're at the JW Marriott, and we weren't originally supposed to be here, and something happened with our previous hotel. We ended up here for the past 6 nights. It's been amazing. Honestly, if you're looking for a Disneyland off-property hotel, or it's technically a Good Neighbor hotel, but off Disneyland property, so it's not like a Disney-owned hotel, highly recommend. Fabulous service, beautiful room for the price, definitely like more luxury quality, at a very accessible price point as well. We paid like under $300 a night, and they've been amazing and been very helpful to us and very kind, so highly recommend that. But I just wanted to show you guys my outfit for today before we head out, and we got all the stuff out of the room. It was a little messy in here, but I have my denim jacket, my Cinderella one. I got this at the parks. It's for the 75th anniversary. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I just have this tank top, this Rick Rack tank top from Tucker Nuck. And then this airy maxi skirt. And then just Veja sneakers. But yeah, I can't film at the studio, but I'm gonna take lots of photos, and then I'll do voiceover and stuff like that. And then later today, we're gonna check into PIXAR Place Hotel. I can't wait to take you guys along. Checking in to PIXAR Place Hotel. Part of the lobby here, Finding Nemo art. Check-in desk. They also have PIXAR Putt-Putt here right now. So it's like, it's been a traveling mini golf course for the past few years. And so they have it set up here now. I think you have to pay to do it, but it's open daily from 10 a.m. to 8:30. Seems like it might be indoors, which is kind of nice. And they even have a little Pizza Planet mini golf, or golf cart. They have some different art over here. Got a vote. Here's where Joe Gardner plays. We'll be here at 7 p.m. to play. So in a half hour. So we'll probably be here for that. So hopefully we can check it out. And just some insane artwork and light fixtures over here. We came in the back entrance, but this is the main entrance. Has kind of these like art pieces that are resemble all the different characters. And of course the Luxo ball. Of course they have a shop over here. It's called Story. And then the Sketchpad Cafe, which that's open in the mornings. I guess they have a walkthrough exhibit of Win or Lose, located on the 2nd floor. But here's kind of the menu, the Sketchpad Cafe. It's mainly just coffee and stuff. And then they do have a restaurant down there. But we finished up our tour at PIXAR, or Walt Disney Studios, and now we are at our hotel finally. It took us so long to get back from Burbank because the traffic was so bad. It was like 40 miles, but it took like 2 hours. So it's dinner time now. We're just now checking in. It's like almost 7 actually, so it's like, you know, we're all starving. But we're getting our room, checking in. Hopefully I can give you guys a room tour before we get all our stuff in there. But yeah, so that's kind of what we're up to, and I think this is the start of a new vlog, so welcome. But I think tonight, I don't know where we're gonna get food, because like the hotel, they don't really have a quick service here. They only have a sit-down restaurant, so I'm not sure if a sit-down restaurant will really work out for us tonight. Always go to Downtown Disney. I think we're allowed to go to the other hotels as well. Since we are staying in a hotel, I think we can walk to them. So we'll just kind of see what happens. But first things first, getting in the room, getting our stuff at least physically inside the room, and go from there. I would like to stop and see Joe Gardner down here at 7 for you guys. And yeah, so that's kind of what we're up to now. Next 2 days we're going to spend at Disneyland, and so it should be fun. I mean, I think it's going to be busy because it is spring break and it is a weekend, but it will be fun nonetheless. These are smart elevators, which is really, really nice. So I'm heading up to the 6th floor, which is where our room is. 0644, I think. Grant told me. So hopefully I can get you guys a room tour real quick before everybody else comes in.
Down.
Oh, Bo Peep. Okay, we're on the end here. I don't think we have a theme park view or anything, but they renovated this hotel last year. As you may be able to tell, it's an older hotel. There's this outdoor area here. The pool is closed, I think, still for refurbishment, but they have a nice like outdoor play area. But the pool should be finished soon. I think it was supposed to be finished for our stay, and it wasn't, but it's okay. We're gonna be busy, plus it's not super warm anyway. Floor has all sorts of art in it. 644. These lights on. It's a bit toasty in here. But this is our room. It has 2 queen beds. I'm not sure if this becomes a single sleeper or not, to be honest with you, but of course we love that they have the lamp. Some PIXAR art there. Just some different things for the hotel. This is kind of a desk. Some more PIXAR art. Little coffee bar. Little fridge in here. Mini fridge. This is a closet. And then the bathroom. It does only have 1 sink. So shower. So that's that. You can see the Grand Californian from our window, and if you look right there, that's the Guardians of the Galaxy. We did not pay for a park view or anything. And then PIXAR Piers here, which I do believe we have a private entrance to PIXAR Pier, so that'll be super exciting to use tomorrow and on Sunday. But yeah, so that's the room. Hop back in the elevator to go down, and we're in this up elevator, and it looks out. As you can see, the lobby's down there. Woo! Very cool. And we're gonna go check out Joe Gardner performing any minute now. Near the bell desk, you'll find this staircase where Joe's piano is, and then there's also this board that switches out with different informational things. Right now it's just a DVC ad, but it did have like kind of like a schedule, I guess, of sorts, I guess. And then there's the Creators Club, rental car office, restrooms, meeting rooms, and fitness center on the 2nd floor.
How are you? So who out there likes music? Me too. I may not always know exactly where I'm going, but when I am on the go, I do know that the A train is the best way to get there.
So we popped into Grand Californian to get dinner. We did a wait list for their bar, but here in the lobby is Season of the Force here, so they're celebrating all the Star Wars things. This is a big sweet treat. So it's like a big Rice Krispie treat of the Death Star. It smells so good. It's really cool. And then of course, this hotel is very comparable to Wilderness Lodge. I still like Wilderness Lodge better, but that is the closest that you'll get. but we already got our text that our table's ready, but we're passing Storytellers here, which they have character dining for breakfast. Passing the pool, but I think we're gonna hang right over here, but we're going to this Grand Californian Hotel Craftsman Bar and Grill.